Alright, our oil is starting to heat up and our garlic is sauteing. So we're going to go and toast 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Try and spread these evenly over the bottom of the pan. And while we're waiting for them to toast, we're going to measure out 1 cup of rice. And the safest thing to do when you're measuring something out is to measure it right over what you're going to be cooking, so if you spill anything, it's just going to spill straight into the pot. Alright, you can see the cumin is starting to bubble up a little with the oil. So we're going to put our rice on top of that. And then we're going to toast it for about 1 minute.